May ni somni pathum sang ni somni paruk ani heta hianin Fox News in breaking Ivanka Trump reportedly targeted in assassination plot ti ani ya omzia sonin Donald Trump a fanu Ivanka Trump hi tu te emoni hianin tha tumin ma an lo la ti na ani ra thak shin khop mai Trump po tha tumin an be photo hi tu na afanu ron target le do ani ya boi thak khop mai heti le kan ring kan soiza ma ka sil du cheu chu
Prestige bungbel theng na hi ilo hmel siat ve tu em July ni som panga theng hian ibungbel hui ithak theng le theita ibungbel hui emo cheto te lo kengla 25% atanga 69% heng discount kan lo pe ang che bungbel hui engpo thilchia atana hral thei chi plastic le glass ni lo chu kan pum zakania Prestige exclusive showroom Millennium Center ron leng lut ve ngei turin kan soma che
Prestige C54 henin vakalula 25% atanga 69% discount thlengin bungro cheto ho glass le plastic ni lo kha in vathleng theidon ni Prestige bungruanen a thadon khop mai offer chalo tuk Prestige an ron siama hi Mizo mi puiten advantage alo vala ro.
Welcome back to Fox and Friends. We're going to lead with a Fox News alert. A suspected terrorist with ties to Iran allegedly targeted Ivanka Trump for
terrorist ani Ivanka Trump that tumtu hi chuan he terrorist hi Iran tenen hianin in link na an nei ani bo thla khop mai to na hianin US le Iran te hianin deal siam an tuma an siam hlei theilawa Pakistan an army chief tunge kha asim munir ti mi kha pa kha tu da te hianin Iran a avazin pheive lani veana avazin veani omje chu Pakistan an army chief ber Iran atuna azin ri si chuan US lampang hianin Iran hi chu an la beidon lo ti hi chu chiang ani achan chu Pakistan te Iran le US in kara palai na kha anin la thok thave ang reng khop mai ang ma ro chu eng ma an puitin hlei thei chu lo na kan thok thave viau an tiani an mani lampang hian mo emponi se kan soi tum bera kha Iran nena in link hel pakhat hianin Trump a fanu hi tha alo tu mane
assassination. Sources telling the New York Post that the man behind the plot is the IRGC-trained Iraqi national taken into custody just last week.
IRGC-trained national omje chu Iran sipai Iran Revolutionary Guard Corps na US sipai ten indo ti thin ho hi heng IRGC ho hian hepa hi training an lo pe ni na langa hepa hian mani IRGC utang hian in training te lo la ti chuan hepa hian in Ivanka Trump hi tha alo tu mani khai.
The plot against Ivanka reportedly responds to President Trump killing Iranian military chief Qasem Soleimani. A source telling the Post that
Qasem Soleimani Iran sipai ho tu pakhat Trump atena antha awanga phubalak tumna ni in alang ani he thila himo.
The suspect, quote, went around telling people we need to kill Ivanka to burn down the house of Trump the way he burned down our house.
Ava boy thak he pa po so an hela po chu hel a tak ani ve do ni hetiang hianin mi chi sang bula lo vakal ko la Ivanka Trump hi kan tha anga yani Trump hi kan ti che don chuan a chan chu Trump hianin Iran ram de hemiron be wa miron hala chu wang zonin afanu Ivanka Trump hi kan tha anga ni ti in mun sang a lo kal ko la mi lo sil ko la ni a me he pa hi mo a kolo me hel kolo takani.
Here with reaction is the national correspondent for the Daily Signal, Tony Kinnett. So great to have you out here in Indianapolis, Tony. So this is a really wild story involving this Iraqi national who was arrested last week in Turkey.
Well, this is an individual who's actually been complicit in either the planning or the execution of a number of terror attacks on Jews and Americans around the world.
Ivanka Trump lo cho po Jews te Americans te ramdam taka omte laka itianga I rapthak taka chet atum ani tika an muchuak bel zer ani Ivanka Trump laka chau lo po mo he bai Turkey an mande ani US a chon man chon lo chu wan chuanin Ivanka Trump hi ammi poi motak mai ni ti mai tenga chanchu America president fanu ni miawa chu wan chuanin he pa hi America rama chon om lawa Turkey rama omani amaro chu tha angai kha ting zo khanin midang nang halo sil ko la social media de pon post hi lo mo la ha te chu hel ko lo tak mai ni na la he tianga ti awang hianin an mana Ivanka Trump mai ba ka ram sanga Jews te Americans te po hi tha adu thu lo soi chuak ni omani.
Both in New York as well as Amsterdam. He's also suspected of being involved in a couple of attacks in Belgium. So
Belgium rama Jews the Americans te be ani na te po khanin ama hi tu na hen in ril hela kai me ka ni tin ram dang danga te po Jews le Americans te khanin be an lo tok to thina khang te po kha ama ti ani nge ni lo tu na hen in an zir chiang an chui chiang don mek ni na lang.
This is an individual we've been looking for a while. He was just arrested in Turkey.
Oh, okay, ka thiam. Turkey ya an mana amaro chu he pa hi hun rei tak chu an lo zong to ani. An lo zong to ani. Tu na an man the ta an lom viawang
on May 15th.
And so we're learning, Tony, more a little bit of what this IRGC terror suspect said. He said this as well. I say to the Americans, look at this picture and know that neither your palaces nor the Secret Service will...
Hepa an man ta ka hian. A ming chun save Mohammed Bakir Saad Daoul at Sadi. Eheu. A say mai. I say to the Americans, America ram mi puite ka sil du cheu chu. He thala ka hi en ula. Ti chuan he thala hi en chuan in thil in share tu la chu nang mani veng him tur ang chewa in ngai Secret Service te po khanin an veng him don lo cheu. We are currently in the stage of surveillance and analysis. Tuna hianin kan en thamek chewa. I told you revenge is a matter of time. Hun rei lo te nuwa tuna hian hun rei lo te chungin phuba kan ron la don ani ti in hepa IRGC ne na in link pa helan man tak pa hian te hianin thu chuate alo si mani ram sang sanga Americans le Jews te be ani to chuanin hepa hi in nam hnoyanga ngai ania tuna hianin Ivanka Trump te po thalo tu matar ki rama rei tak an zon nuwa an man ta ne.
Protect you. We are currently in the stage of surveillance, and are we at risk of more plots?
I think this is a great case in point of the number of attacks that the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps, that Islamic fundamentalist group, is willing to go to consistently on the calendar with attacks against Americans, with threats against Americans, both in leadership and general civilian population, with their attacks on churches and synagogues. There is a consistent threat from the Iranians that goes all the way back past Qasem Soleimani, as you alluded.
Reporter na so hi angai nom khop mai a chan chu tu da hianin thil langchiang ne pakha chu Iran te hianin na thil ti enge raplak taka chet an in huam zia he thili chon in tilang ani ati adik chiani tu apokhanin Iran sipai te na an train chua pakhat he IRGC ne in zom help pakhat hi tihan ramsang sanga te pokhanin America le Jews te la kahanin poite lo khoi to thina chuanin hetiang angchi hianin midang te po hi anom lawang ti kha asoi theilawani achan chu tunai hianin ni anin do mewa chuanin Iran te chuanin US te Israel te Jews te a huwa hianin an hollu alu donani chuwang chuanin tunai hianin Ivanka Trump Donald Trump a fanu kha tha an tumani tha an tum dan te a plane te pokhan lo siam ve wang news season ron tar lang lem lo na amaro chu assassination plot an te chuwang chuanin tha tum na oma tha tum dan te po oma hetiang hianin Ivanka Trump kherlo po mi poimo dang tam tak te po hi tha an lo tum mek te po ani thei chuwang chuanin CIA te le Mossad te le ram dang dang intelligence agency ho te po tunai na sa le zuala an tho rual ho na sat kha angai don ni na langani tuna kan hriat thei sin hi chu mi pakhat an man nuwa kan hriat thei kha ni maya he pa lo midang tam tak te po hi an ong ve na rin mani chuwang chuanin a pui chodon khop mai chan chu US le Iran te hian tuna hen in deal na siam hlei thei lawani te deal an siam thei lo la ya Iran te ne na in thunjom IRGC na atreya lo training IRGC te ne na atreya lo training chuak to ina hetiang thil ti alo tum le zel ani phei chuanin US le Iran te tan hianin deal han siam vak ngai na po hi a don lo ni na langa tuna hian news trend khatina ron tarlan le dan phei chuanin US te hianin Iran be turin anin buat sai chole mek to ti ani amaro chu soitong han Pakistan na an army chief hetuna Iran na azin meka US hi chuan la bei mai rin om lawa he Pakistan army chief a hole huna hi chuanin thil te po aron danglam chole mai the ni ati zo khatun tum video ta na kan han rieka kan han soi zau the ni video like kan in mule theu don ya